Scrolling down, we have the lease expiration alerts. So STRATAFOLIO will send you an expiration alert at however many days before the lease expires that you would like that alert. So in this lease, we are going to say that they have a 180-day lease notification, so that they have to notify the landlord within 180 days before this lease expires. So we're going to add a buffer of 30 days to make this 210, so that way we get an alert at 210 days before the expiration of the lease. And if you don't want that alert, you are welcome to change that to no as well, but the default is set for yes. So after you've added the lease, you'll want to come over to the file section, click on that tab, and then add a file. This is where you're going to upload those lease documents, amendments, whatever they are that pertain to this lease. You can drag and drop them, or you can find them on your computer. You can upload 10 of them at a time, and they need to be under 30 megabytes. Down here, you will see the file type is automatically defaulted to commercial lease. However, you can also choose amendments, lease abstract, escalation letters, whatever that document is. You can also upload a file description if you would like. And then the tenant permissions, these are set automatically to hide as a default. However, if you would like the tenant to be able to view these documents, edit them, or delete them, you can change those when you're uploading. You can also change those after the fact if you would like to, but you can change them now to might make it a little bit easier if you choose to let all of your tenants view the documents in the tenant portal. Then just press save on that.